Hello, tonight I will show you the decals I make myself. And this is it. Just a simple decals made of flowers. Make flowers. And I will show you. I paint one of my nails here. And then I've already removed the decals here. Okay. It's like a tweezer. Okay. Here. There. There's the decals I make. We'll place the decals here. I hope you can see what I'm doing. There. There. There's the decals. And then I will just push it, press it. Press. Wait, I don't know if you can see. There. It's the light. There. There is the decals. It's a flower. There is also a yellow. There I make. Tomorrow I'll make butterfly and a heart. It's also very nice. Hope you like it. There is the decals I made. Now we're gonna paint it with a top coat. So the decals will be coated. Okay, the decals would be coated. That is. So now you see how I make my decals. A flower decal. It's nice. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.